Hello everybody, how are we all? This one today is going to be something nice and simple. I had this given to me from my neighbour a couple of weeks ago and I haven't got around to doing it yet. But we're going to do it today. They got it from Costco. I don't know how much it cost. I've tried to look online, but it won't give me no prices unless you remember, so I don't know. But it looks absolutely delicious. So let me show you what it is. Foxwood chicken bakes, guys. Hand rolled and folded pizza dough stuffed with chicken breast pieces, mozzarella cheese and bacon in a creamy Caesar dressing topped with Italian style hard cheese. Microwave or oven bake, individually wrapped. They look absolutely delicious, don't they? And sometimes the things about these sort of stuff, I'll put all the ingredients on the screen for you, cooking instructions and the good old nutrition. If they're nice, I could always make my own, couldn't I? But they look really nice, don't they? They look absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do, you get 4 in the box, obviously. Yeah, 4. And it says microwave or oven. For the oven, preheat the oven 180, remove all the packaging tape and place the chicken baked directly on a preheated baking tray, which I've got already done, and cover with foil. Cook in the middle of the oven for approximately 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for a further 15 until the product is piping hot. That's for the cooking, so I'm going to do 1 in the oven and I'm just going to do 1 in the microwave, guys, just so we can see the difference. Obviously the cooker's going to be better in it, but in the microwave it's cook on full power for 4 minutes and 30 seconds, allowed to stand for 2. But that's on an 850 watt, mine is on an 800 watt, so we'll just play it by ear on that, if you get what I mean, till it's cooked. So let's open it up first and have a look. And I've also got myself, guys, I ordered it off Amazon. I'll tell you in a minute. Oh, bigger than I thought, them. Look at them. Cut it open. Get it out. I'll only get the one out for now because the other one's, this got to cook first before the one goes in the microwave. There it is, look. And hopefully it's going to all pop up and that in it, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. We hope so anyway. So what I'll do, I'll get that one in the oven on a tray, hot tray. We'll get that on there. I would probably really stick it on some parchment paper. But it says straight on there, so it'll probably cook from underneath. Because that isn't really non-stick anymore, that isn't, that tray. But we'll see how we get on. And cover with some foil. We'll just do it loosely. And we'll put that in the oven, guys, for 25 minutes or 30 minutes, and then we'll take the foil off. And in the meantime, I've got myself a new chopping board. Got this from Amazon. It come yesterday. Haven't even opened it yet. 23 quid this was. A butcher's block. Deer and oak organic bamboo butcher's block. 40 by 30 by 4 centimetres. Double-sided, pre-oiled, side handles with grooves. Cut above the rest, carved from the finest bamboo. That's what it is, guys. Introducing deer and oak's organic bamboo butcher block. A generously sized addition to your kitchen will elevate your meals. Well, not mine, it wouldn't. Prep experience, no. With its ample space and block makes chopping, slicing and dicing a breeze, ensuring a tidy and effective cooking process. So, let's open it up. Wash thoroughly before use. Do not put the cutting board in water, in a dishwasher. Wash and dry by hand. Stack preferably vertically to finish drying. To treat it and to restore its appearance, rub occasionally with chopping board oil. Please visit Amazon store, contact us directly. I'll get some of that then. So let's open it up, guys, and let's have a look at it. Because I needed a proper chopping board, and for 23 quid this, you know. I thought, well, I'll have a look. Good reviews on them, ain't they? It's heavy, I must admit that, it is heavy. Oh. There it is, there's the thickness, very thick. Got some weight on it. Do not put your board in the dishwasher. Regularly oil your board with Chopping board oils, do not submerge in water, do not use hard chemicals or like bleach. Let's get it open without trying to, somehow without trying to scratch it. Shouldn't scratch anyway, should it? Because it's a chopping board. Come on, if I can get it, guys. There we go. It's even got the grooves for the meat to collect all them lovely juices. I ain't got one of them, you see. And that's it. Nice little chopping board. It's got some weight to it. Yeah, maybe you could have had a little bit bigger one. I do some bigger ones, by the way. I think they're 45 centimetres, but they're not as thick. But yeah, that'll do me, I think. Deer and oak, it looks alright. So I just thought I'd show you that, guys. I'll leave a link to it in case anyone's interested in a new chopping block anyway. No sponsor or anything, it's just what I bought. So, anyway, we'll wait for them pizza things to do. Okay, guys, it's been 25 minutes. Let's take the foil off. See how it's looking. See, it started cooking, but it needs to do a lot more than it. Let's say another 15, 20 minutes, I think. I'll make sure it's all cooked anyway before... It's not... Is it stuck? No, it's fine. I'll make sure it's all cooked anyway before we have a go. And with about, I don't know, about 10 minutes to left or something, I'll get the other one in the good old microwave just to... And then it can cool down a bit before we try them. Okay, guys, I'm going to get the one out of the oven now. The other one in the microwave's got a couple of minutes. And there it is. It smells really nice. It's leaked a little bit with the cheese. But obviously I can't eat that yet. It's far too hot. So we'll leave it to cool down for a couple of minutes. And there's the microwave one. That's leaked as well, look. That's leaked lots. Obviously they're more like a wrap because they're really soft microwave in it. So we'll let that one cool down a minute, guys. Okay, let's cut them open and let's have a look. Let's go straight in the middle. Oh, it's a bit tough at the bottom there. Bit of a toughy bit at the bottom, guys. They're hot, I know that much. And let's go this one. That's better. Microwave ones are a little bit doughy at the bottom. They're hot. And there they are. And they look nothing like they do on the old pictures, do they? To be honest with you. But it's all in the taste, guys. It's all in the taste. Let's have a crack. So, guys, what do we reckon? I've let them cool down a couple of minutes because I wouldn't have been able to, and they're far too hot. Which one should we go for first? Should we go for the microwave one? No, still too hot, burnt my lip. Give me a couple of minutes. Right, let's try now. Burnt my lip now, there on the corner. Stinging. Right, I don't like that at all. That is horrible. Ugh. That. Yuck. Ugh. That is disgusting. You can tell it's ugh. It's like horrible taste in me gob, that has. Oh, I've gave the lad the other ones. I don't know if he's going to like them, the other halves of them. Oh. You can tell that is, it's cheap, man. It's really cheap ingredients in it. It's horrible. Nothing goes. What was it again? Let's get it. That is disgusting. Folded pizza dough stuffed with chicken breast pieces, mozzarella cheese and bacon in a creamy Caesar dressing, topped with Italian style hard cheese. Might be the Caesar dressing, but that's disgusting, but it doesn't look nothing like. Let's open it up and see. Actually, yeah, let me open it up and show you. There you go. There it is, look. Nothing, is there? That's the microwave one. That's vile. Oh, let's have a go with the... Maybe the dough might be better. No. No. They're vile. Absolutely vile. Oh my God. It's a little bit better with a crunchy dough. But apart from that, guys, I don't like that at all. All in the taste, and I think it's disgusting. I don't know whether Nat wants to try. Nat, do you want to try any of these? No, thank you. Don't blame you, Bab. Yeah, guys, I wouldn't recommend them. Not at all. I think they're absolutely disgusting. The lad might like them. I'm not sure. He's eating them now. I'll let you know in a second before I finish. I'll let you know what he says. Right, the lad's had his. The lad likes his. I think they're absolutely disgusting. That's why, guys, it's all in the taste. Do you like it or you don't? I would never buy them again, anything like that. They're vile. But, as I say, there we go. Let me know if you've had anything like that before, guys. I don't know if it's that Caesar dressing, you know, but I've just got a horrible taste in my gob. So, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.